Hello, friends! Today we will learn the names and pronunciations of ocean animals. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel before starting our video. Let's get started. I am a shark. Shark! I am a starfish. Starfish! I am a narwhal. Narwhal? I am a seal. Seal! I am a seahorse. Seahorse! I am a dolphin. Dolphin! I am a turtle. Turtle! I am a fish. Fish! I am an octopus. Octopus! I am a jellyfish. Jellyfish! I am a moray eel. Moray eel. I am a stingray. Stingray. I am a manta ray. Manta ray. I am an orca, also known as a killer whale. Orca or killer whale. I am a crab. Crab. I am a penguin. Penguin. I am a marine iguana. Marine iguana. I am a shrimp. Shrimp. I am a mussel. Mussel. I am a sea urchin. Sea urchin. Thank you for watching us. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.